games on Tuesday here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium, 2 p.m. Cagayan versus Navy. FU takes on Sandugo at 4. Ateneo tackles Army at 6. And I would like to turn you over to Michelle Datuin. What do you have for us, Michelle?
Yes, down nga na isang set tong FEU. So sabi ni Coach Shaq sa kanila, bawas-bawasan nyo naman yung error nyo, tingnan nyo naman yung blockers nyo at receive kayo. Sinabi din nila na bawasan nyo ang service error dahil hindi tayo makakahabol ng ginagawa nyong ganyan. Sinabi din niya kasi na dahan-dahan lang para may execute natin ang play. So ang daming instructions si Coach Shaq. Kaya pa daw naman nilang humabol, basta gawin lang daw nila lahat to. Tinanong nga niya yung kanyang players, mananalo ba tayo? Sagot naman nila, mananalo. Coach, back to you guys.
Of course.
It's a good attitude.
If you have veterans like Coach Tabakero, Iris Patrona, and Ivy Remulla inside, hindi lang naman din again, basta-basta mag-fold up yan, give it away to Ateneo.
That's right. May pride pa rin, no? The pride factor. And Axel is the official outfit of the Shaky Speelies.
Even in the first set, it was a close first set.
That's right.
Chance now for FEU.
Good block. Ferrer was there. Hervasio. To Valdez.
Oh, Valdez. Penetrating the blockers of FEU. Look at this. Magkahiwalay yung block and it's why there was space. That's ball to come in.
That's right, the positioning of the blockers.
Oo. Dapat yan, magkadikit.
Oh, good dig.
Good, but still playable FEU again. Oh, and Tejada going for an angle on that middle hit. Too much. Medyo hindi niya na-calculate na nandun na siya sa right side of the court.
That's right.
Tapos doon pa niya kinabig ulit to the right.
Just missing the line. This is a player to look out for.
Oh,
Tejada.
yes.
Very athletic. You know, it's like a Eliza Valdez.
In the same mold. And alam mo, gusto ko sa kanya, yung spunk niya eh. Yung, I mean, sa rookie, pero even on their last game, matapang maglaro. And ako, very basic sa akin yun. When you see a player, pag matapang sa loob, ako, gagaling yan.
Parang ito, si Hervasio. Look at her wicked back row attack.
So she can do it from the service line. Ang dali lang from the back.
True. Ateneo enjoying a 5-point lead. 11 serving 6. Tabakero.
Tabakero getting the angle and the height. That attack.
You can feel that Tabakero slowly is warming up here in this match.
Trying to get back to her groove. Well, Ateneo 4 attack points so far. FEU having 3.
Oh, good save.
So, there you go. And Ateneo with their play.
Oh, De Jesus is in. Good take. Again, Hervasio.
You know, Ateneo going now for off-speed hits. Panay off-speed. Mukhang they're trying to target the open areas or the weaknesses ng FEU in their defense.
That's right, and well, it has been working for them.
Patrona once again. Court smarts lang eh, di ba? Parang
Tinulak eh.
Oo eh. Walang effort, di ba?
That's right, well, substitution for FU, Acuna in for Remulla.
Another tall player for Coach Shaq de los Santos. Will Hervasio now 3 attack points. Tabakero also having 3. Oh, make that 4.
That's right, good angle by Hervasio, who's been playing solid for the Lady Eagles.
The young Tejada now to serve.
Oh, good serve. Eulalia. Another kill for Eulalia.
of the middle. Yan, si Giselle lang doesn't go very often to her. But on the times na she goes to her, yun na nga, 50% chance of really getting the point.
Good dig.
Oh, no. For that running hit, getting the point.
Silent operator again at work, getting it through the blockers, and Ateneo ahead 14-9.
The elevator, the serve, oh, nice serve. Yun, too much na, sabi ni Rem. Sobra na yun, Iris.
Handball. A good effort though, but the reception was too tough to handle for Iris and FU. Well, they call it a violation there, blocking the setter's path. And that's one thing actually, people, if you're there, di ba, parang it's such a gift eh. Gusto mo na i-block eh, tapos violation pala. We'll talk about it later as Ateneo still leads 16-10. We'll be back.